Afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's January 15th. I'm going to start this off with a question. Have you signed up for our conference yet? That is coming up here very quickly. We do have some seats available yet. There is still some room here at the Holiday Inn as well. Check those calendars. Get registered here today. So give us a call or call us tomorrow morning. Be glad to get you guys signed up. Great lineup for you guys and a great way to start off the marketing season. With that said, corn up about 6.5 cents today. Beans down 4.5, and wheat up 15 3/4. So the exciting trade in the wheat. Corn, basically some follow-through buying from what we see in this bullish report from USDA. And then, of course, the strength in the wheat today. We do have some cold weather concerns right now. The last couple days has been very cold through the plains. Now there's concerns of these freezing temps. And maybe some more condition issues. We know the conditions had going into dormancy was the worst that we've seen, and it doesn't look like they're getting any relief. So wheat was up pretty strong, 15 3/4 today. Beans, though, down 4.5. Certainly pressured by meal kind of leading the way, but some profit taken after a big day yesterday. We saw a pretty big gain for beans yesterday, and setting back a little bit here today. Like I said, mostly with profit taking. The dollar up about 23 cents today, better than expected. U.S. retail sales, we're up about 0.5% from November to December. The trade was looking for about 0.2, so a little bit better than expected. Got the dollar excited there during the mid-session, but crude oil down about 70 cents. Not a big break for crude. We've seen quite a rally. But it is down about 70 cents today, 93.50. Still holding this uptrend and still looking pretty strong. But we'll see if we can still continue to make some gains here as we go through the week. Stock market turned it around today. We started off a little bit easier, up about 30 points here at this time. But livestock, cattle down 15 for February, 130.20. But you had some of these back months down a little bit sharper. Down about 55 here for April. Box beef coming in a little bit lower today. Choice down 9 cents, select down 34. But we've got a big divergence right now between the bids and the ask here as far as cash cattle this week. Bids coming in 123, asking prices at 128, 129. So going to make for a very interesting week to see where we see cash trade. We did trade last week 126, 127. So continue watching that here as far as cattle. That'll be a bit, probably a big market mover here if we see a drastic change. But as far as hogs, kind of mixed right now. We did have some the cash hog market staying strong, but we weren't able to hold the gains from yesterday. We had a pretty weak or negative week last week, but we did find some strength yesterday. We were able to hold that here today. But the big thing here, maybe supporting the market, we do have some single-digit temps coming in here for next Monday, so early next week. Iowa looking at about 5 degrees, but here in Chicago, give you a reference, we're going to be about -3. So bottom line is it's going to be cold, and that's helping support these hogs here at this time. So check those calendars for to see if you're able to make the conference. Be glad to see you out here. But you can reach us to get signed up here today, or if you have questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.